Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you recipe of Puran Poli. It's a very popular Maharashtrian sweet. So let's see what we need for it. For Puran Poli we need Puran, that is the inner filling. For that we will need 2 cups of chana dal. We need to soak this chana dal overnight or 7 to 8 hours in the water. And 1 teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cups of jaggery. You can adjust your sweetness as per your choice. Then for kneading dough, we will need 2 cups of wheat flour. As per your choice, you can use plain flour also, but I am using wheat flour, 2 cups, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and some water for kneading dough, and little bit oil for kneading dough. So let's start with kneading dough. I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour. In that I will add this 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's optional, but it will give nice yellow color. Then I will add some salt, just a little bit, don't add too much. I will mix this up, and we need to add water, but don't add water at one time, add slowly. This dough should be little, it should not be stiff, it should be little loose. I will add water little, and I will knead this dough. See, the dough is almost ready. Then I will add some little bit of oil like this. And I will knead it again, and we need to rest this for at least half an hour. See, my dough is ready. I have greased it with little bit oil. Now I will cover it and rest it for at least half an hour. So let's start with making a puran. For this I have put this soaked chana dal which I soaked for overnight. I am going to add this 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, then this 1 teaspoon of oil, and this 4 cup of water. I will pressure cook this on a medium heat for 5 to 6 whistles. See, after 5 whistles, see, my dal is ready. It's properly cooked. You can see it's properly cooked, and I have strained all the excess water here. I will use this for making another curry. Now I will put jaggery in this. Now I will put this jaggery inside, and we have to cook this until all the jaggery melts. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, but we have to do this on a very low flame, otherwise this puran will get burned and it will not taste good. For 4-5 minutes the jaggery has melted, so we have to cook it further 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens and comes together. See, after 15 to 20 minutes my puran is ready. See, it has all thickened, and see how to check it's ready or not. We just need to put this ladder. If it stands like this, that means your puran is ready. So I will switch off the gas, and one ingredient I forgot to mention. It's 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I will add this to it. It will give nice flavor. If you have nutmeg powder, you can add pinch of it. Since I don't have, I am not adding, and just mix it. Once it cools down, you can use this. You can start to make a puran puri. See, I have made these balls from that puran. Since I have used unrefined jaggery, it looks little darker side, but it tastes good. It tastes same. So now I will check my dough, which I have kept for resting. I will knead it little bit again. I will knead it again. Get a little bit this dough again. Now I will take out some portion and make a ball size shape. But just keep in mind while making this ball, this should be smaller than this shape. See, this is almost big. So this should be smaller. So this filling should be bigger like this. So now I will take some dry flour. I will apply in my hand and I will just start to press the edges of the sides. I will keep the middle part as it is. I will just start to press this edges like this. Just give it a shape like of a ball like this. Now I will put one ball inside and just press it like this with a gentle hand and take this sides and just bring it all together, and whatever excess dough is there you need to squeeze it out. Press it little bit and again with your palm press like this, so this filling will equally distributed everywhere like this. Now we will dust our rolling board with some dry flour and we will start to roll this. Just roll it gently, just roll on the sides of this roti. Roll on the edges. You need to roll it as thin as possible. Roll this. Now it's ready to go on tawa. My tawa is also ready. I will put it. We need to roast it on a medium flame. Minutes. I am going to check the side. Yeah, it's perfectly roasted. Now I will apply some ghee or a clarified butter. For this puran poli, ghee is must. So we need to apply that much amount of ghee. Now we will wait for the another side for 2 minutes. See, after 2 minutes I will check the another side. This is also done. Now I will apply again some ghee or a clarified butter, and now it's ready to serve. See, I serve my puran polis with some clarified butter or a ghee and some warm milk. So please do try my recipe and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.